One, two, three, start.
Om Shri Ganeshaya Guru Namah. Oh God, help us to be good, to do others as we should, not to hate but to love. Send us peace from above.
Everyone, my name is Tanu. Today I am saying a story that is unity is a strength. An old man had 4 sons. Always they are fighting. The old man decided to teach the children the importance of unity. He called all 4 children near to him. He gave a stick to each of them. He said to break them. Each of them had a broken stick which had given. The old man told to tie all together and break them.
Took the college bag and come out to college, and the college reached at 9 a.m. Thank you. It is 10th. And old man had 4 children. Always they were fighting. The old man decided to teach lesson about importance of unity, and he called all 4 children near to him. He gave a stick each one of them and break them. But everyone has break which has given. And the old man said to tie all together and break them. Each one has tried but not succeeded. The old man said to all, if old man said that.
Good afternoon, respected sir and everyone. My topic is the self-introduction. My name is Nazreen Nara. I am from Shindi Tibet. My date of birth is 8 January 2006. My birthplace is Tachapur. My father name is Muhammad Arif Nara. He is a hotel manager. My mother name is Shabana Nara. She is a housewife. I have a brothers. I have no sisters. My native place Shindi Tibet. Good afternoon, respected sir and everyone. My today's activity. Today in the morning I woke up at 5 a.m. I washed my face, brushed my teeth, got bath, went to a puja room, prayed God. That I prayed a prayer. Oh God, help us to be good, to do others as we should, not to hate but to love. Send us peace from above. Then I did namaskar to the parents. I took a breakfast and wear fresh dress. Took the college bag and come out for the college and reached college at 8:30 am. Thank you.
I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of our classmates for successfully completing our spoken English classes. Today I want to emphasize the importance of this English language. English is not just a language, it is a tool that opens doors, connects people and empowering individuals in countless ways. A spoken English course not only helps you speak better but also improves your listening skills. You will learn to understand different accents.
Good evening, respected sir and everyone. Today my topic is storytelling, the faithful dog. Once a man had a faithful dog. It was guarding the house. One night a thief came to the house. Because of barking of the dog, the thief ran away. Owner came out and surrounded the house. He found no one. Because of the loss of his sleep, he became the
Award in 2013, ICC Cricketer of the Decade in 2020, Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award for Cricket in the year 2018. Now his total number of centuries are 81 and half centuries are 141, and also he scored 200 runs, 200 double century in Test cricket. He is the only player to play all 18 IPL seasons, one franchise in IPL, that is Royal Challenge
Activity program. First of all, I would like to call upon rule number.
Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Pushpa Barmundi, and today's my topic name is past tense. Mainly there are 4 types in a past tense: past simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. First one is a simple past tense. Formula is pronoun plus verb, column number 2 plus object. Example: for the doctor checked the patient. And next one is a
Advantages of what we learn from spoken English classes. Increase our income scope. Overall improvement of knowledge of understanding, confidence building and communication skills, leaving a lasting impression,
ability to connect with the world, the knowledge of business, enjoying travel experience, basic knowledge of English, better work opportunities, better academic scope, easy to learn.
Good afternoon, sir. Studying BSc Nursing first sem. My topic is past tense. There are four types in past tense: past perfect, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. First one, simple past tense. Formula is pronoun plus verb, column number 2 plus object. Example is the parrot flew in the sky. Second one, past continuous tense.
My topic is tenses, present tense. Present tense is four types: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Simple present tense formula: pronouns plus verb, column number 1 plus object. Example: they cut the tree. Present continuous tense formula: pronouns plus verb.
For her speedy runs, she represented India in the Olympics and other international competitions. She won numerous medals and accolades at international competitions, including the Asian. By saying this, I completed my role model speech. Thank you so much, everyone.
You all learnt the lyrics. Each lyric says that don't hate anybody. Don't hate anybody. Every lyric says of Kanakadasa what it says means don't hate anybody. Love all the people. Don't hate. That only wanted to ask in the prayer. Not to hate, but to love. And we want peace from the above. So improve your attitude. Because of the attitude only. Actually, I brought up in a very, very poor family, really. I brought up in a poor family. Because of the attitude, I visited USA. Because of the attitude. Out of 14 lakhs advisors, only one that I have selected from Goka to travel USA. I am the only person selected, really. I am very proud of that because of the attitude. Even you can't find the USA map in your book very quickly, but I visited there because of the attitude. Improve your attitude. That means I traveled in a flight 30 hours. I traveled, and after that I visited Netherlands, Amsterdam, UK. Because for what? Only for the attitude. And I visited Singapore, and I visited Malaysia, and also I visited Sri Lanka. Because of the attitude. Attitude. This mantra should you have every day. You should have said. Aptitude is only 20%, attitude is 80%. Because of the attitude, you will be succeed in the life. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining us in and showing your gratitude. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Respect cannot be governed, it can be earned. Some moral stories that I have told you in the middle of the classes because of this only. I have given very little tips to you. But the following is very high in your life. Every day, throughout your 100 years, you should remember me, I think, and you should remember